Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, glass breakage sensor, dual pane panoramic power sunroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.